Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Tutorials. In today's video, we will learn how to change your name on Facebook. For that, make sure to have a Facebook app just like me and also make sure to get logged in just like me. You can see that I am on the first page of my on Facebook account and you can also do the same. Now tap on these three straight horizontal lines on the top right corner. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy option. Now tap on Settings option below. Here you can see Account Center option. Tap on See More in Account Center option where you will get all of your profile details and also you can change your name from there. Now tap on this profile option just above your name and then tap on your name again. Here you can see the option of name, username, profile picture and avatar. Since we are trying to change our name, tap on name option here. So now you can change your first name, keep a middle name and also change your last name as well. And you can see that if you change your name, you can change it again for 60 days. So make sure to keep a correct name as you process for changing. So I'm going to keep a next name for myself. You can also do the same. So as you're done with your name, now tap on Review Change option just below. Here you can see that you have an option, either you can keep it backward and forward or even you can change it, the former one or the later one. So I'm going to keep the former one since I like the name just the way it is. And then tap on Save Changes below if you agree with the certain change. So you can see that name updated successfully. So this is how you do it. This is how you change name on Facebook. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'm going to see you on the next video.